empirical formula of C6H12, which is hexene. Okay, what is the empirical formula? This one now is a structural formula, since it gave us the number of carbon atoms and the number of what? Of hydrogen atoms. So this hexene, which is from alkene, regardless of its name, again, the question is it empirical formula or molecular formula? This one is molecular formula because it gave us the actual number of carbon atoms and the actual numbers of what? Of hydrogen atoms. Good. If I simplify it, can I simplify it? The 6 and the 12, can I divide by a number or both the maximum, which is what? Greatest common factor? Yes, I can divide the 6 and 12 by 6. When I divide the 6 by 6, I'll get 1. So then it's going to be C1 and the H. The 12 I divide by 6, I'll get what? 2. So that means it's C1 and H2 is the what? The simplest form of C6H12, and it represents the ratio. By the way, it represents the empirical formula. Usually it gives us the ratio of carbon atoms here to hydrogen atoms. So that means 1 to 2 is the ratio of carbon atoms to hydrogen atoms. So we will choose here this one as the simplest form. So this one is not right because it represents number of carbon atoms equals number of hydrogen atoms. So that means this one is wrong. This one here, it gives us that number of carbon atoms is more than hydrogen atoms, and it's wrong. And here they tell us they are the same, it's wrong. But here on the question, and the real question, as you see, number of carbon atoms is less than hydrogen atoms. It's half of it. So that means 1 to 2, and here it means 1 to 2 as molecular formula when it comes into empirical formula.